Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be reviewing a must-have kitchen tool that will make your baking and pastry making so much easier. It's the stainless steel dough pastry scraper pizza cutter chopper with measuring scale multi-purpose cake bread separator scale knife. This versatile tool is not just a pastry scraper, but also a measuring scale, a cake bread separator, and a scale knife. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, making it durable and long-lasting. And guess what? It's been certified by SGS, a trusted international organization that ensures the quality and safety of products. The built-in measuring scale allows you to easily measure ingredients with precision, ensuring that your baked goods turn out perfectly every time. And here's the best part, it's suitable for cutting cake dough, pie crusts, chopping salads and vegetables, and grilling barbecue accessories for your home kitchen or garden grill. Not only can you cut noodles, pizza, dough, and whipped cream, but you can also use it to scratch the work surface and even clean stubborn debris like glue and chewing gum. It's truly a multifunctional tool that every kitchen needs. So, if you're looking for a durable, versatile, and high-quality kitchen tool that will make your baking and pastry making a breeze, then look no further. Click the link in the description to get your stainless steel dough pastry scraper pizza cutter chopper with measuring scale multi-purpose cake bread separator scale knife today. And hey, if you're satisfied with our products and services, please leave a positive feedback. We wish you a happy day and happy shopping. Don't miss out on this amazing kitchen tool, get yours now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more reviews and tips.